Hurricane Helene. Darn. Hurricane Helene. Yeah. Hurricane Helene. Good morning. Hurricane Helene. Little tree damage there. Hey Helen, you came, you saw, but you did not conquer. You understand me? You did not conquer. Alright? Hey man, people lost so much stuff, man. Flooded this, flooded that. Hope they got insurance. It's bad, Helen. But if people got their lives, you know, and that's the most important thing. Things are replaceable. Things are replaceable. Your life is not. Hey, can I get that grill? Shoot. Can I get that grill? Just walking down my neighborhood. Walking out my neighborhood. Assessing all the damages. Hurricane Helene. Helen, you are a bad person. You're a bad person, Helen. You're a bad person. You destroy people's property. And we want our money back for the stuff you destroy, Helen. You hear me, Helen? You's a sick individual. S-I-C-K. Double K. Alright? It is. You a sick individual, Helen. People don't got beds. People don't got. Helen, you's a punk. You are a punk, Helen. Look at that. Look at that. You destroying people nice couches. Heck, shoot, that couch still look good. I need me a new couch. Hold on. Helen, I'll be back for that one. That one still look all right. But Helen, you don't make no damn sense. And excuse my language on a Sunday. Look at that nice couch over there. Okay, we got volunteer crews. Cause I'm ready to volunteer. I'm ready to help people clean up today. That's why I'm down here. Darn, man. Hey, man, stuff is destroyed. Helen, you a bad person. You're a very bad person. Yeah, Helen, you're not good. Oh, let me get that beach chair. Shoot, I needed a new beach chair. Darn you, Helen. All right, the workout crews are here. Work crews are here. It's a lot of damages, Helen. Darn. Dang, man, I hope this house isn't destroyed. I know a lot of people lost properties and businesses, but as long as you got your life, that's what's the most important. Helen, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. You ought to be ashamed of your darn self, Helen. And it's still a lovely day. It's still a nice Florida, lovely day. Let's look at my face. You see that? It's still a nice, make sure I don't get hit. Still a nice, lovely Florida day. You couldn't stop us, Helen. Darn, their front deck is ruined. Darn you, Helen. All right, I gotta move to the side. Oh man, this is a boat right here. God darn, this is a boat. God darn you, Helen. Damn you, Helen. Look at this. This is a darn boat. This is a darn boat. I'll be washed up from the sea. Darn you, Helen. Darn, that place, ain't nothing happened in that place. That's a blessing. Darn you, Helen. It's a darn boat. Yeah, we done took some hits. We done took some hits. But we keep fighting. We the city of... Who that? We the city of... Okay, the cops got it blocked off down there. So it don't look like I could go much further. But Helen, you's a bad person. You are a bad person, Helen. There go another boat. More boats. Who's gonna carry the boats? Oh yeah, that's all taped off. Dang, how do you get that boat up there? Helen, you are bad. You are bad, Helen. There are police officers. All right, as far as I could go. All right, I'm turning around. Hold on, am I? Yes, I am. I'm turning around. Some bad damages. Excuse me. Oh, I see people going that way. Can I go that way? I don't know. Cops are already there. I will go back this way. Helen, use it. Hey, Helen, let me tell you this. On behalf of, I don't know if I'm Central Florida, South. I'm not geographical. But listen, on behalf of Tampa Bay, St. Pete, and Gulfport, I just want to tell you, you're a bad person. You're a bad person, Helen. Look, you done destroyed this darn doghouse. People lost properties, and you took away memories. But let me tell you something. We not knocked down. It's the difference between a fall and a knockdown. We fell a little bit, but we ain't knocked down. It's a difference. It's a big difference, Helen. And you can never knock us out, because we strong. We strong, Helen. We're going to put this property out on the trash, these material things that could be replaced, and we're going to be back. We're going to be back with even bigger and better materials. But you a bad person, Helen. You a bad person. I just want you to know that. This is coming straight from the horse's mouth, AKA Desmond Baker Poetry. Yeah, you a bad person, Helen. And we don't like your kind around here. We see your kind and we say, hey, you are not welcome here. You're not welcome here. You're not welcome here no more, Helen. But I want to say special thank you to all the electricity workers, all the people that are helping clean up, get rid of the damages, get electricity back on, cover the sewers, and just help restoration in the area. It is still many people without power, one being myself. They're estimating it come back on tonight. That would be nice, because this is Florida and it is hot. It's too hot to not have air conditioning. But most importantly, we got our lives no matter what, until otherwise. So Helen, we got a little slip and fall, but we not knocked out. We are strong. Okay? That's right. So if you ever come back this way again, just know you're messing with the wrong folks. We are too strong for you. All the essential workers, thank you. Thank you for helping get things back in order. People need a lot of help out here. I'm going to do my service today or tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to do my service, and I am giving blood. People need blood. People need medical attention. People are suffering. Please give. That's my way of giving back to the community and the world. I have a universal blood, and if that's the least I could do, because there's people out here that was affected way more than me. So give blood. Pray over your loved ones. Take advantage of every day. Life is precious. Desmond Baker Poetry.